Welcome to my cooking channel, Ashwini Tarcar's Cookbook. Let's get started with today's recipe.
Let us make stuffed brinjal today. We will need 200 grams brinjal. I got just 4 because the size is big. If you get a smaller size, you will get at least 6 to 7 pieces. Cut the brinjal as shown. Cut one potato, big thick pieces along with the skin. It tastes good with skin, so let us try it that way. Now chop one big onion finely. So we will use half of this in the gravy and half for the tadka. Half cup fresh coconut, tamarind, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon Goda Masala. This is store bought. Quarter teaspoon turmeric, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon jaggery, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds. We will dry roast. Let it splutter and add it to the mixer jar. We need to make a chutney consistency paste of this coconut mix. So add very little water to grind it. Now transfer into a bowl. Don't make this mixture into very runny kind of liquid. It has to be stuffed. Now in the wet mixer you add roasted peanuts and grind it. So it will crush lightly. It will not turn into powder. You can see. Now add half of the chopped onion to this. This is the stuffing for the brinjal. Add the chopped coriander and mix well. You can taste here and adjust the salt, tamarind, jaggery. It has to be slightly strong in taste. Now stuff the brinjal. Open like this and stuff it. Maximum how much you can stuff, you have to stuff in it. Check for worms when you are cutting the brinjal. Now when all the brinjals are stuffed, remaining paste you can mix the potato. Just smear it and leave it. Now take a pot, add 2 tablespoon oil, add mustard seeds, half teaspoon, and quarter teaspoon hing and few curry leaves. Now add the remaining chopped onion and fry till light golden. Now add the brinjals and the potatoes. This we will fry because the masala is not fried, it was all raw. Means the coconut, the onion, whatever was there which we have stuffed was not fried. So here we will stir fry it on low flame till it leaves oil. You can see the spots on the brinjal. That will give a good taste. Now add salt, very little because the masala already has salt. This is only for the brinjal and the potato. Add little water and cover and cook. From time to time keep stirring and check if it is cooked. Once it is cooked, it is ready to serve. Serve hot with bhakri, roti, anything of your choice. Garnish with coriander. Tastes best with millet roti. Happy cooking!
Thank you for watching. If you have liked my recipe, subscribe, like, and share it with someone who loves cooking. See you in the next video.